Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight prices are about unchanged for the corn and bean market. Wheat's up a couple of cents. Outside markets are pretty quiet. Overnight, the USDA kept corn, soybean, and spring wheat weightings unchanged from a week earlier. There was some improvement in the bean crop around the Midwest, but a little bit of drops in maybe Iowa and Ohio. For the most part, the Northwest Corn Belt saw also a little bit of decline, while the center of the country saw some improvement. Overall, the U.S. Midwest forecast for the next 2 to 3 weeks is pretty consistent with rainfall near normal. Temperatures could actually be normal to below, which is perfect for corn pollination. We saw one private crop watcher say that his corn yield right now is 165, which is near the USDA numbers, but he wouldn't rule out the fact of raising that yield if the corn is pollinated under this type of forecast. We also saw one note coming out of Central Illinois that farmers looking in their fields where the crop's the best are coming up with some yield checks as high as 300 bushels per acre. And this would also add to the U.S. Corn supply. And the beans, you know, they don't like wet springs, but I think overall the conditions is going to favor the bean crop. The same crop watcher would have lowered his bean yield a little bit from his estimate if it hadn't been for last week's drier weather. Other than that, we've got the USDA report on Friday. We'll see if they raise 14 and 15 U.S. corn, soybean, and wheat carryouts, and if that triggers some more selling in the market below current prices. And one other weather note, looks like the El Nino is weakening across the Pacific Ocean, which could mean better weather for India, could mean better weather for Australia, but also could mean a cooler winter for the United States. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.